This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling NFC and making sure your Oppo has a secure lock, pattern, PIN, or biometric. Once done, install or update Google Wallet and confirm Google Play services are current. This ensures background services communicate. Next, prepare the payment method, a debit or credit card, or a transit pass. You'll add it by scanning the card or entering details manually, so have the card and any SMS or email verification ready before proceeding. You tap Add Inside Wallet and choose Payment Card or Pass, then follow the on-screen prompts. When scanning, steady the camera. If it fails, type the numbers manually, accept your bank's terms, and complete two-step verification via SMS or email. Once verified, make Wallet the default contactless app if Oppo prompts you. This avoids multiple prompts at terminals. Finally, test a low-value purchase or the reader's demo mode to confirm the card is active and the NFC handshake completes correctly. You finish by performing a real-world test. Tap your Oppo on a contactless terminal for a small purchase, watching for a vibration or on-screen confirmation. Once confirmed, clean up Wallet, set a default card, add transit passes, and remove expired items. If something goes wrong, start simple. Clear Wallet's cache, reboot the phone, and verify NFC is enabled and not in airplane mode. If problems persist, check with your bank about tokenization or regional restrictions. Most issues trace back to verification or bank-side blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.